Hi there, I'm Sergio, and I'm excited to introduce you to Tickeron's AI pattern search engine. Today, we'll dive into this powerful tool that can help you identify potential stock patterns and find opportunities in the market. Here are the main elements our search engine covers. You can customize your search by selecting or deselecting specific stock categories. Let's say you want to search only in consumer durables and biotechnology. Simply click here, and our pattern search engine will do the rest.
If you have a personalized list of stocks, you can save it and search for patterns exclusively within that list. Just click Save.
Now, let's talk about some additional features that will refine your search even further. Here you can choose to search only in penny stocks or exclude them if you prefer. Want to explore ETFs, Forex, or cryptos? Simply tick the appropriate boxes.
The confidence level is a crucial factor. It indicates how certain the algorithm is about a pattern reaching its target profit. For instance, a higher confidence level means a more probable target profit. I'll show you some examples later to clarify this. Here, you can set your desired profit target, ranging from 0 to 100%. There are additional features our users requested, such as filtering by price range, market cap, and volume. Now that you know how to use these elements, let's take a closer look at a specific pattern to better understand how the AI pattern search engine works. This is the cup and handle pattern, a classic battle between the bulls and bears. Our software excels at pattern recognition, detecting these points even if the pattern has varying heights and depths. This helps us determine potential target prices. Now, some claim these patterns lack credibility, but that's because they haven't been backtested thoroughly. That's where Tickeron stands out. We conduct extensive backtesting to validate the patterns we find. Before I move on, let me explain the difference between emerge and confirmed patterns. Emerge patterns indicate that when the stock reaches point number 4, it starts moving towards a breakout point. Once it crosses the breakout line, it becomes a confirmed pattern.
And now, the exciting part, the statistics. Let's say we want a confidence level of 60% or more and a target profit of 5%. Our search yielded 4,324 patterns, with 68% of them reaching their target price. So if you had entered the trade at the breakout point, you would have had a great chance to profit. As we increase the confidence level to 70%, we find patterns with even greater potential. 75% of them reach their target price. Go back to the advanced search page. I can, let's say, make 49. Okay, now it's going to recalculate. If you want to learn more about First Financial Northwest banks, you click here. You can do the paper trade. You can add it to the portfolio. You can see it as a cup and handle with confidence level 70%. We see the confidence level is percent distance to target 2%. That means if you sell short right here or you buy, then you're going to be able to make like 2% during a reasonable amount of time. That's the chart. We see the software identifies cup and handle, and that's the result. Okay, so what's the difference between this software and others? So we here see the results of backtesting, which are not perfect, but that's okay. So that means for First Financial Northwest Bank, a cup and handle, 20 patterns were identified in the past, 40% of them reached the target price. So now let's look whether or not FFNW is a good candidate for the pattern search recognition. And it turns out it is still kind of 50-50. That means FFNW may not be a good thing. Okay, and then here for cup and handle, for the confidence level, 40% everywhere. Let me see if we can change that. So our confidence greater than 60 and 41 patterns have been identified for FFRN cap and handle. 66% reach the target price, but that's a really good result. Now, let's say cup and handle for all tickers. Okay, let's see for all tickers, we already looked at that data. We look at 50, and let's look at this one. and 67% reached the target price, which is not a bad result. You can look at the statistical historical results, which we did in the form of a backtest. Now, let's move on to the next step. I'll show you how to set up alerts. By clicking here, you can enable alerts to receive emails and push notifications. However, if you wish to customize it further, you can do so with the Edit option. Every pattern you find can be bookmarked and followed. It's a great way to analyze the pattern's performance over time. Now, let's move on to the simplified search. This is a fantastic feature we introduced in version 2, where you can use presets to streamline your search. Look at this. Presets for home watch lists, stocks you're currently monitoring, and signals you want to receive. Now, let's find patterns specific to the Dow Jones, including S&P, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, and popular ETF. We've received many inquiries about how to utilize this tool effectively. Well, I'm here to tell you how I personally use it. I often combine the screener with this advanced search. First, I select all the strong buy stocks, apply filters like market cap between 10 and 200 billion, and voila, I have a list of potential winners. See, this gives me a list of promising stocks that have already shown a profit. Now, the question arises, can we find specific patterns in each of them to further fine-tune our entries? Absolutely. With just 1 or 2 clicks, you can transfer these stocks to the simplified search, where you'll have access to patterns for each of them. Now you can set your desired confidence level and get a list of patterns for these excellent stocks you've picked. And that's how you can maximize the potential of our advanced pattern search. Remember, you can also follow us on Twitter and Stock Tweets to stay updated on the latest opportunities. We even have a mobile app for easy access to notifications. Thank you for your time today. I hope this tool helps you make better informed decisions in your stock trading journey. Good luck and happy trading.